Okay class, so here we have problem number 9 from homework section 2.5, which asks us to evaluate or simplify 1/6 times the quantity 10 minus 5 1/2. And we're going to do so using our order of operations, which have been laid out to the right. Let's first identify what we have in this problem. We have parentheses, we have multiplication, and we have subtraction. So we do not have exponents, division, or addition in this particular problem. So let's follow our order of operations, and it looks like we need to do parentheses first. So let's focus on this here in the parentheses. 10 minus 5 1/2. Let's come over to the side and figure out what that is. So 10, take away 5, and 1/2. Well, I notice here, when I go to subtract these mixed numbers, I can't take a half away from nothing, so I do need to borrow from the 10, and it becomes a 9. And I need to use a form of 1, since I only borrowed 1, and I will use the form of 1, 2 over 2. And that way I can subtract 2 over 2, take away 1 over 2, and that will give me 1 over 2. And 9 take away 5 will give me 4. So it turns out that 10 take away 5 1/2 is equal to 4 1/2. And now we will substitute that back into the problem. So we still have our 1/6. We still have our multiplication times. And it turns out our 10 minus 5 1/2 is now going to be replaced by 4 and 1/2. So if you'll notice that when I did my parentheses, it also took care of my subtraction. So now all that's left is the multiplication. And to multiply a fraction times a mixed number, I need to convert that mixed number to an improper fraction. So 4 times 2 plus 1 gives us 9 over 2 times our 1/6. And we'll multiply. 1 times 9 is 9. 6 times 2 is 12. We've completed all of our operations, so now all we're doing is looking for any common factors that might simplify our fraction. Turns out both of these have a common factor of 3. So let's reduce that common factor out. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. And 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. And we'll look for any common factors there. However, 3 and 4 have no common factors. So our final answer to problem number 9 is 3/4. Okay class, I hope that helps.